When gutters fail unexpectedly, fast action is essential to protect your home from water damage. All Pro Gutter Guards provides reliable emergency gutter repair in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, delivering prompt solutions when you need them most. When gutter problems can't wait, you can count on our team to deliver dependable emergency repairs that protect your home and give you peace of mind. Call our emergency gutter repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for an emergency gutter repair near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. What is considered a gutter emergency? A gutter emergency includes situations like severe leaks, gutters pulling away from the roof, overflowing water during heavy rain, detached downspouts, or storm-related damage. These issues can quickly lead to roof, siding, or foundation damage and should be addressed immediately. What types of emergency gutter repairs do you provide? We handle a wide range of emergency repairs, including sealing leaks, reattaching loose or sagging gutters, repairing or replacing damaged sections, fixing downspouts, and correcting overflow issues caused by clogs or improper drainage. What is your service area for Harrisburg, Pennsylvania? Our emergency gutter repair has helped clients in Harrisburg, Millersburg, Dauphin, Barrysburg, Elizabethville, Pillow, Highspire, Halifax, Middletown, Lykens, Wickanisco, Gratz, Hummelstown, Grantville, Hershey, Elizabethtown, Palmyra, Campbelltown, Lawn, Dauphin County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Harrisburg, Pennsylvania emergency gutter repair office located? We are located at 2225 Sycamore Street, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania 17111. Our phone number is 717-210-4912. Visit our website, www.appgutterguards.com/Harrisburg-PA.